생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 택시를 이용할 때
Hi, I need a taxi to go to this address.
Sure. Please get in, I'll start the meter.
How long is the ride, usually?
That depends on traffic. Right now, it looks pretty heavy.
Do you know a good shortcut to avoid the traffic?
Yes, I'll take an alternate route through the back roads.
How much is the fare, by the way?
The meter will calculate it based on the standard rate.
Great. Can I get dropped off near the main entrance?
No problem. It's a popular drop-off spot.
I wasn't sure if I should book a cab or just hail one.
Hailing works fine in this area.